Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So as you know, this is the session for class 2nd, subject English, and today I am giving you revision lecture. And this is the revision of lesson 3 and 4. So in the previous lecture, I have taken lesson 1 and lesson 2, and in it we take worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. So in lesson 3 and 4, I will take worksheet 3 and worksheet 4. And the topics which we will discuss in this lecture are pronouns, compound words, and few exercises related to lesson 3 and 4. So we are doing pronouns, compound words and exercises. So let's proceed. As I have told you that we are taking worksheet 3 and 4 in this lecture. हम इस लेक्चर में वर्कशीट 3 और वर्कशीट 4 डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि लेसन 3 और 4 से रिलेटेड है. So let's proceed. Worksheet 3. It is about the wild wolf and the pet dog. But in this particular worksheet, basically the grammar topics are covered. So I am going to tell you the summary of this lesson in few minutes. The wild wolf and the pet dog. As you remembered that this is a story about the wild wolf and a pet dog. और आपको इस स्टोरी में क्या दिखाया गया है कि both of them belongs to a magical land जहाँ पर animals बोल सकते थे. So both of them were talking and the pet dog is saying that he belongs to his master and he is living with his master. The dog was very smart and healthy, but the wolf was thin and dirty and as well as hungry. Wolf क्या था? भूखा था. So in this manner, pet dog क्या करता है? उस wolf को अपने साथ लेके चलता है. कहाँ लेके जाता है? अपने मालिक के मकान पर जो कि एक पहाड़ी पर था. And in the way, वो रास्ते में बातें करते हुए जाते हैं. And when they reached the home, जब वो उस घर पहुँचते हैं तो suddenly wolf की नज़र dog के neck पे जाती है and the dog was wearing a collar. और collar को हम क्या कहते हैं? पट्टा. So he was wearing a collar and the wolf asked, what is it? तो वो क्या कहता है कि इस कॉलर से ये पता चलता है कि हमारा कोई मास्टर है, हमारा कोई मालिक है. Like this, the wolf came to know that he has to left his freedom in place of food. ऐसा सुन के wolf जो है वो वहाँ से चला जाता है. So this is the story. Now let's proceed with the exercise. It is about pronouns. Use a correct pronoun to complete the sentences. A part. This is Hina dash loves reading. So Hina is a girl and I have told you in the previous lectures कि girl के साथ या female के साथ आप क्या fill करेंगे? C. So यहाँ क्या आएगा? She. She loves reading. This is lion dash is the king of jungle. और मैंने आपको बताया था आप एनिमल्स, बर्ड्स और थिंग्स के साथ इट यूज़ करेंगे. सो इट इज़ द किंग ऑफ जंगल. जीत एंड हिज फादर आर गोइंग टू मार्केट. जीत और उसके फादर कहाँ जा रहे हैं? मार्केट. डैश विल बाय सम फ्रूट्स. बिकॉज इट इज़ प्लूरल और आप प्लूरल के लिए क्या यूज़ करेंगे? दे. दे विल बाय सम फ्रूट्स. Now D part. Mr. Jams is a photographer. Mr. Jam क्या है? एक फोटोग्राफर है. Dash click nice pictures. He, because Mr. James क्या है? मेल, तो मेल के लिए हम यूज करेंगे he. My brother and I are going to school. मैं और मेरा भाई स्कूल जाते हैं. So हम किससे जाते हैं? बस से. We are going by bus. Now the last sentence. Sumit said to Arif, Dash are my best friend. सुमित आरिफ से कहता है that you are my best friend. तुम मेरे best friend हो. Now let's proceed to the next exercise. As you can see the next exercise, look at the picture, write answers to the given questions using pronouns. In this picture, here are few childrens: Abdul, Sneha, Lata, Freddy, Simar, Mary, and one pet, that is Snoopy. Regarding this picture, some questions are asked. Let's discuss the question. चलिए हम उन questions को discuss करते हैं. So the questions are, what is Freddy doing? So Freddy is in this picture. So we can write the answer like this also. Freddy is carrying books. But जैसा कि हमें क्वेश्चन में ही कहा गया है कि हमें इनमें क्या फिल करना है? प्रोनाउन. So we will fill pronoun. He is carrying books. यहाँ क्या आ जाएगा? He. He is carrying books. Now second question, what is Mary doing? So you can see in the picture that Mary is reading, but हमें pronoun fill करना है. So we will fill the pronoun accordingly. और pronoun fill करने के लिए हम वही words use करेंगे. The words which replace a noun are called pronoun, and हमें वही words use करने हैं यहाँ. So let's fill. She is reading a book. Where is Snoopy sitting? This is the next question. So Snoopy is a dog. So what we will write? It is sitting near books. Snoopy कहाँ बैठा है? Books के पास. Are Lata and Sneha sitting? Let me show you in the picture. She is Lata and she is Sneha. So you can very well see कि ये दोनों क्या हैं? खड़ी हैं. So what we will write over here? No, they are standing. They are standing. Now the last question. What is Abdul wearing? Here is a boy in the picture. Picture में एक लड़का है और उसने क्या पहना है? He is wearing T-shirt, shorts and shoes. So likewise you have to fill pronoun, and if noun are asked you can fill nouns also over here. आप यहाँ noun भी fill कर सकते हैं, but questions में हमें pronoun fill करने के लिए कहा है. So let's proceed to the next exercise. Now in the next exercise, match the column. This is column A, this is column B, and in column A naming words are here, and in column B replacing words are here. So you can see both. Roshni, Gurmeet, Savita, Elephant, Indu, they, we, he, she, it. अब आपको प्रॉपर मैच करना है. रोशनी, रोशनी इज अ गर्ल, सो रोशनी के लिए क्या आएगा? शी. गुरमीत इज अ बॉय, तो बॉय के लिए क्या आएगा? ही. सविता एंड रमेश, सविता एंड रमेश, सो प्लूरल, उसके लिए आएगा दे. Then elephant, you very well know elephant is an animal, and for animal, bird and things we use it. So D. इंदू एंड आई. इंदू एंड आई के लिए आएगा वी. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि जहां भी आप आई यूज करते हैं तो आई के साथ प्लूरल जो है दैट विल चेंज इनटू वी. आई होप you understand the pronouns. So if you do practice you can do it very well. आप इसको और अच्छे तरीके से कर सकते हैं. Now let's proceed to worksheet 4 which is of Lord Hanuman. Now your fourth lesson is Lord Hanuman. And let me tell you the story again about the Lord Hanuman. It is a story about Hanuman ji, and in which it was told कि one day जब हनुमान जी उठते हैं, he was hungry, वो बहुत ही भूखे होते हैं, and he wants to eat something, वो कुछ खाना चाहते हैं, but he didn't find anything, उनको कुछ नहीं मिलता. And at that time the sun was rising, और हनुमान जी को ये नहीं पता था कि it was sun, कि वो सन थे. He pretend that sun as a fruit, उनको फ्रूट जैसा लगा, and he wants to eat that sun, और वो सन को खाने के लिए उड़ गए. Why he flew away? Because he was the son of wind, क्योंकि वो जो थे विंड के सन थे इसलिए वो उड़ गए, and he was strong also. जब वो उड़ गए तो he just go there and wants to eat, but the sun slap him and he fall down on the ground, and that's why his cheeks were swollen and plumpy. और उस दिन से जो है हनुमान जी के चीक्स जो हैं वो रेड और प्लम्पी हो गए, and he has a wobbly teeth also. So this is a small story about Hanuman ji. Now we proceed to the compound words. The first exercise, match the columns to make new words. There are 2 columns and we have to match it, like washing which match to machine. We have done earlier also. Black, board, tooth, paste or brush. Toothbrush, brush is here. Moon, light. Air, for air we have plane, airplane. Snow, for snow we have man, snowman. Pine, apple, pineapple. Bus, stop. Note, book. Ground, nut. And after, noon. So this is the exercise related the compound words. You have to do in your book only. जिनके पास book नहीं है they will first bring the book and then do it. Now there is another exercise. Find the word from the pictures and join them to make new words. Actually here are pictures and we have to make see the pictures first, and according to the picture we have to make a compound word. So milkman, milkman. Honey bee, honey bee. Peahen or peacock, or it is cock. So peacock is a compound word. Now next, sunflower. Sun plus flower is sunflower. Now the next word is earthworm. The next word is necktie. The next word is jellyfish. and likewise you have to do it. And ice and cream, ice cream. So these are the few compound words which you have to do in the book. One more exercise is there. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. Mew and Chew find a, क्या मिला था उन दोनों को? चपाती. Leaves fall in autumn. The dog was wearing collar. Dog ने क्या पहना था? Collar. Now the next question. Why did baby Hanuman want to eat the fruit? Because he was hungry. That's why he wants to eat the fruit. आप simply लिख सकते हैं he was hungry. 2 marks question है तो आप question साथ में attach करेंगे. Where did Giggles go with his mother? Actually, there is no word Giggles used over here. You can write Sia. Where did Sia go with his Sia and Sandy go with his mother? His है तो यहाँ Sandy आएगा सिर्फ. They went to garden. Now the third question. What did Sandy and Sia do? They clean the garden. उन दोनों ने क्या किया था? Garden को clean. The monkey ate the whole chapati. False. The wolf also wanted a master. False. The sun slapped baby Hanuman. True. Now the homework time. D, E, F, G, H part you have to do in homework. G and this is H. Write 4 road safety rules. This is your homework. I will give you homework on the EDUQUAC only. You have to do it. Thank you. Have a good day.